So welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates. But if you are a beginner and you don't know about affiliate marketing, let me explain you that affiliate marketing is a model of in digital marketing that someone, let's suppose this is the this is the computer mouse. This mouse made by someone else, and if I promote this mouse to someone, and the company will give me the commission. This is the example that this is called affiliate marketing in online business. So here in this video I will talk about how you can promote your affiliate offers or services like Fiverr affiliates. Fiverr affiliates is a platform which is introduced by Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where people give services like freelancers. So you will not require to be a freelancer, or if you don't have any kind of skill, you can do this easily. Okay, so you will not require any video editing skills or any SEO skills, digital marketing skills, or any kind of online skills. You will just need to promote freelancers to other users, persons, and you will get commission, right? So I have given you the example if you are beginner. So for the advanced level people, they already know that because I have created a playlist about Fiverr affiliates. If you want to see a playlist, you just need to go to the section of playlist where Fiverr affiliates videos are appearing in front of you. Like, so I will take you to my screen, and in this video we will not use any kind of landing page, and we will promote our affiliate links, affiliate gigs to other people without landing page. So let's move to the screen, so I will show you that how you can do this. So guys, quickly I will tell you the Fiverr affiliates over the dashboard over here. So this is the website Fiverr affiliate. So first of all, you will go to the join now button. You will just need to click over here. You will fill up the simple form and you will get your account done within 5 minutes. First name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password. Simply you will select your account type. You will click over the private. Okay, procedure to make Fiverr affiliates account. Okay, so after that you will go to the commission plan. I will show you that many people are confused that how I earn so much money with Fiverr affiliates, and how is it possible. So guys, here you can see Fiverr CPA 15 to 150 dollar per sale. If I promote any Fiverr gig, I can get $150, and I get $150 many times, because you can see over here that Fiverr business $100, 10% share, and Fiverr affiliate 10%, Fiverr learn 30%, or and over here Fiverr CPA commissions $150 pro. I most of the time I promote Fiverr Pro gigs or Fiverr Pro services. That's why if I give services, one service I get $150 per sales. That's why my earnings are little bit high, because I promote Fiverr Pro gigs. But if you are a beginner and you are earning nothing, so you should focus on low competition gigs, low competition low competition gig to promote your affiliate links. At least you should start earning some amount. Over here we will see that $50 industrial, $40 website builders and CMS, and $30 e-commerce products, and different categories require different commissions. If you promote different category, you will get commission. So the minimum commission you will get $15 if you promote any gig, and someone will buy from your link. The minimum amount is $15. So let me log in into my dashboard. So here you can see this is the dashboard where I am logging in. This is my dashboard, and you can see my earnings. Within 2 days I have earned $521 because I promoted 3 to 4 gigs, and people bought from my gig service, some services from my gig. So here I will show you each and everything. So first of all, we will discover that Fiverr platform where people give services as a freelancer. So we will pick some freelancer from here, and after that I will show you the method without landing page how you will promote your affiliate links. So let's suppose if you are willing to promote website designer or website design or content writing, let's suppose. Okay, so content writing I will write over here, and we will check how many content writers over the Fiverr platform. Okay, so we will select some gig from here, and the beauty of affiliate marketing is you will require no skills, right? You will not give any services like a freelancer. Here you can see that level 2 seller, I will write your gardening, or I will write NFL content for your sports blog or website. Let's suppose I will click over in this on this gig. Then I will simply Fiverr choice. This is the Fiverr choice, and 21 reviews and 5 stars. After that I will simply copy the URL from that gig simply. Okay, and then I will go to my dashboard, affiliate dashboard. So here is the dashboard. I will click over here on LP URL, marketing and tools, default and deep links, and LP URL, and then I will click over here, paste, uncheck and check. Uncheck means your link get shortened, so we will get shortened link. Then I will click over here, the link has been copied. Let's move to the method how you can do this. Let's suppose guys I will go to the Google and I will write top 10 bikes in USA. I will go scroll down and simply I will move to the second, third, fourth, fifth page. So we will target the website that has low content, and we should optimize their content with our affiliate link. I mean, we will recommend them to buy service for their website. So after that they will buy services from your link, and you will get commission. This is the unique and best formula that I have applied and I got tested, and this is actually works. And for example, top 10 fastest bike in the world, highest power to weight ratio. Let's suppose I will click on the website, and then we will see. So guys, after that we will see the contact us page over this website. So after clicking the website link, here you can see the email address will be appeared over this website, and there are even phone number or email address, but we will actually get the email address from this website. This is the random example. I'm not saying that to follow this website. I am telling you the follow the instruction and the method which you will do. So over here, let's suppose if you don't get any email address from any website, so here is the buttons of YouTube. I will click over here, and then I will go to the website, or I mean a YouTube channel of this particular website, and the about section, and here you can see the email address from this website. So there are the big organizations, the big websites that doesn't have time, and they think that we will not waste our time, so they outsource their work for content writing, right? So I'm not saying that to do content writing. If you feel anything for graphics, graphic designing, or SEO services, web development, if you found any website that has a very bad website, you can recommend them to build your website with this link. Okay, so here we will simply copy the link from here, and after that we will going to do the absolutely fantastic method in this video, guys. Then we will go to the chat GPT, which is very popular tool in these days. Absolutely, you will know this tool. So here I have given the command write email for client to buy content writing service. Here you can see subject, dear client name. You will get the name from there. I hope this email find you well. My name is this one, and this is going to be a very unique email. You will simply copy the email from here. You will put your affiliate link, and that's it. Okay, I have copied the script from here. Then I will go to the email section, click over the compose. You will simply put the email ID of that particular where you are going to submit your email. You will put the email address from here, subject, and simply you will put your script over here. Then guys, simply you will read the script from here, and make sure to make some changes if you feel. Okay, so dear client, client name, and different things you will add in this video, in this script. And after that, it will give you the real example and the very attractive email to convincing other person to get that service. And you will simply click over here on the insert link. So we will copy the link from that affiliate dashboard. Okay, so here we will simply paste the link over here. That's it. That is the simple formula to do affiliate marketing. So here you will actually this link has been pasted wrongly, but you can paste in the below section, or you can target some get some paragraph from here, and you can put affiliate link like this. So for example, would be happy to schedule, then you will click over here, paste your link, and that's it. The link has been pasted. You will remove this link. So I will remove this link from here, and you will write the writer the gig image writer name over here, and that's it. And you will click over here to the send. You can send 5 to 10 emails per day to different clients, and you can promote different services to 5 to 10 clients per day. Definitely you will get results, and 100% you will get results. Make sure this video, I hope this video will become very helpful for you. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comments. Definitely I will try my best to give you answer. So till now, take care and goodbye.